Hey my friends, thank you so much for stopping into my video. This one is going to be a continuation to last week's video, so if you have not checked that out, it's going to be listed above and in the cards. This section is only my bedroom and my bathroom. As usual, my name is Ashley. What's up? Go ahead and show your girl some love by hitting that subscribe button, the notification bell, and giving your girl a big thumbs up. Instagram is listed below as well. Let's get started. I am one of the pickiest people there are when it comes to bedding. I love white, it's crisp, it's clean, it's basic. So yeah, it takes a lot for me to go ahead and change it. But guys, I found this awesome 10-piece set from TJ Maxx for only $7.99, and you already guessed it, you should know which color it is. It is mauve. So yeah, I swooped it up. I'm going to try a little bit of something different with this guy. It is pretty basic and I kind of wanted just to elevate it just a little bit, and I've gotten so much motivation from you girls over on Instagram with these bed making challenges, so I had to try one of my favorites. I don't know her name, I'm new to her channel, but yeah, I'm trying her style here. Don't come for me if it's not right, but I think it looks adorable. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this little fold technique? So I did ditch the pillows that came with the set. I am only using the mauve pillow covers that you guys see on the big pillows here. The other pillows were some I already had in my house, and they were from TJ Maxx originally. I am going to link the white pillowcases I have in the back. You guys can't see them, but they're satin because that's what I sleep on, or we sleep on for that matter. They're Amazon, fairly inexpensive. Next, I finally found a navy blue blanket. I would have been a little bit more happy if this was like a fur, but yeah, that was kind of difficult to find. So we found this one, and it's pretty cute and it's inexpensive because of course I picked it up from TJ Maxx. The tray is from TJ Maxx. I've had this one for a while. I did repurchase one more that I found, and it's in my kitchen. You guys would have seen that in the first video. I'm just gonna give this guy a good wipe down and add a little bit something special here. Can you believe I've had this since I was 16? My mom bought this as a gift for me, and it's so cute. It's a little clutch, but it is a Bible. Yes, I was one of those kids that got a Bible for each big birthday. So yeah, I'm gonna lay this guy here on my little tray. I think it's super cute. I love this little Bible. It's adorable. Because my little Bible is so small, I'm going to go ahead and add this black and gold notebook to kind of fill up a little bit of this space. We also keep our remotes on this tray. So yeah, I'm going to add that a little bit later. So as far as my nightstand, I pulled these jars from my bathroom. I had them in there previously, and I purchased new flowers for it with a longer stem. These came from Marshall's. They were $9.99, and this little pink candle also came from Marshall's. It was $6.99, and I'll be adding it to both nightstands. Remember those pillows from the set? Well, I did go ahead and repurpose them right here. They were just way too small for our king size bed. It was just, that wasn't gonna work. So yeah, they found a home right here along with my A&J pillows. We've had these pillows for at least 3 to 5 years. So after that, I'm adding this little vase. It's from IKEA. At the end of the video, you would see me add flowers here, but yeah, fast forward to that one, and this little candle from TJ Maxx. It's finally time to start my bathroom. I found this amazing vase at HomeGoods Guys, it was only $12.99. I didn't know where I was going to put it, but I had to have it. I ended up wanting it here only because I needed something pink to go in this area to kind of tie it all together. I'm adding this eucalyptus I picked up at Hobby Lobby for about $5. It was 50% off, which was awesome. So yeah, I originally thought all of this was kind of a lot going on here, but I love it. I absolutely love it. And I'm just going to add our little facial things and products up here. We have been using a whole lot of eucalyptus these days, you know, self-care, body care, and all that good stuff. This candle came from Bath and Body Works. Yes, we bought the full line. We had to continue it out with getting the scrub and the body lotion. So yeah, this is giving me Valentine vibes because, you know, you got to get your body together and all that good stuff. I am also adding this little collagen. This one came from Marshall's. It does work pretty well, and it has that gold top. You guys notice my theme here? Yes, it's green and eucalyptus. I am changing out my little toothbrush holder to something more basic because that silver in that was throwing me all the way off. So yeah, isn't this cute? This is where I do all of my facial stuff every day, right here. So for this area, I am leaving my white towels. These are my year-round towels. I am adding the navy blue ones back, which is typically my year-round towels as well. I've only changed these out once for a different color, and I'm adding a soft pink hand towel up here in just a few. I pretty much keep this, like I said, the same. It'll look like this or with just an extra little pop now and again, but for now, it's gonna be the pink. So I did spruce up this area just a little bit. This is our open face linen closet. We also use our medicines here, our moisturizers for full body. This is everything. I even keep cleaning supplies over here. So yeah, I just spruced it up, gave it a little fresh little makeover, threw some things out just to kind of clean it up. Last portion, yes, I decorated my shower. I found these Cocoa Magic little bottles from Marshall's. They're super cute, paraffin free, and I actually really like it. I don't use the shampoo, just the conditioner, but hubby does use the shampoo. I'm adding the second candle that we purchased from Bath and Body Works, as well as this bubble bath. Guys, this is a shower. Obviously, we don't have a bathtub, but this is a decorative choice, and I'll be taking the bubble bath with us on our anniversary little trip. What joys me the most is this eucalyptus, guys. It is real. It is a dried down version of a eucalyptus. I was originally going to buy fresh, but when I saw this in Marshall's for like $12, I had to purchase, and yes, it ends up here. And right behind it, I have a wall mounted speaker that I picked up from Five Below. It sets the vibe. It is finally that time to light the candles. You guys know what that means. We are done. Yes, let's sit back, relax, light our candles, and watch the rest of the tour all together. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of my video. Until next week, my friends, peace.